my fiance Minette.
And this is my fiance Rainier.
Let's start with how we met.
Yeah.
It's actually a funny story. My mother and father went on vacation and she was at the same vacation spot. And my mother was in the swimming pool and she met her in the pool and they started chatting, and that night, that evening, my mother phoned me and said that she just met the woman I'm going to marry. And she said, so invite her on Facebook and chat with her and see what happens. So we chatted for 2 months.
Yeah, 3 months.
Yeah, before we met.
Before actually.
Because I just thought, I saw her photos and I thought, wow, she's just too beautiful. I don't know how I will be able to talk to her face to face. So,
Yeah.
but yeah, since that day that we met, we've been together.
Yeah, we've been together for 3.5 years now. We got engaged in Ceres while it was snowing.
In winter.
He
It
actually
was cold.
let me know that we won a weekend away to Ceres. I had no idea that it's actually going to be the question. Yeah, we went to Ceres. It was freezing cold, like -7 degrees, and
It was snowing.
it was snowing.
Thankfully, because I was hoping for snow.
Yeah, and it was the first time ever I saw snow. And he went on his one knee and asked me to marry him. And I said yes.
And then we played in the snow like kids.
We played in the snow
For
like
hours.
kids, building snowmen, and yeah.
So that was quite cool. We're getting married on the 31st of October this year on Halloween, but it won't be a spooky wedding.
Yeah.
It's going to be a traditional white dress, everything that she wants.
The fairy tale wedding. It's not going to be Halloween theme.
And we're very excited. I can't wait
Yeah.
to start building our future together.
Just that they must enjoy the wedding and not watch the rugby.
Yeah.
Audio Jungle.